In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI insights in Zoho Analytics. We'll walk through two powerful features that make analysis approachable for everyone. Ask Zia, the conversational assistant, and Zia Insights, the automated narrative engine. You won't need code, just clear questions and a bit of curiosity. Start with Ask Zia to explore your data in plain English. Open Zoho Analytics and go into the workspace that contains your data. In the left sidebar, click Ask Zia to open the chat style panel. Type a question like, "What were total sales last quarter?" or "Show me top 5 regions by revenue this year." And Zia will interpret your intent and return an appropriate answer, often as a chart, pivot table, or summary card. You can also ask for forward-looking views, such as forecast next quarter sales, and Zia will apply built-in techniques to predict trends based on your historical data. Treat this as a conversation. If the first result needs refinement, just continue chatting. Ask to filter by a country, switch to a bar chart, drill into a product category, group results by month, or add a date range. You can even request new reports, metrics, calculated fields, or formula or SQL expressions, and Zia will generate them for you. Clear, unambiguous phrasing helps. Use column or field names as they appear in your dataset when possible. If Zia needs clarification, it will suggest options you can choose from. When you land on a useful output, save it to your workspace or add it to a dashboard so it's ready for recurring use. Now let's turn to Zia Insights, which automatically analyzes your existing reports and dashboards to surface what matters. Open any report or dashboard and look for the Zia Insights button, often shown as a small AI icon. Click it, and a side pane opens with a narrative that explains your data. You'll see descriptive highlights that call out biggest increases or drops, predictive notes that suggest likely future trends, diagnostic explanations that identify key drivers behind changes, and visual cues that spotlight meaningful patterns. You can tailor the analysis by adjusting verbosity from a quick summary to a detailed view, and by selecting focus columns to guide Zia toward the metrics and dimensions you care about most. When a specific spike or dip catches your eye, click that data point in the chart and choose Explain Data. Zia Insights to understand what influenced it, such as region, product, or time period. Together, Ask Zia and Zia Insights turn complex analysis into clear answers and stories. Experiment with different questions, keep your fields well labeled, and iterate until the insights align with your goals.